It's the second and last day in Disney World before we head out to Saint Augustine. And now it's time to see Hollywood Studios. Welcome to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, the main reason of our visit.
Hollywood Studios!
First stop, Oga's Cantina. We decided to make a reservation weeks before our visit since everyone wants to hang out at this place, of course. And the only time available was 8 a.m. We'll take it. We ordered some not-made-for-humans drinks and enjoyed the trip to a galaxy far, far away.
Safety, remain seated and
Weapons are online.
¡Échale, vale, Bambi! ¡Voy para arriba!
Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We got to get out of here. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
We venture through the Black Spire's Outpost Marketplace and find characteristic elements from every movie, outfits, and crazy creatures. Open on August 29th of 2019, the Galaxy's Edge is the newest land in Disney's Hollywood Studios. This place marks the first full-size, 100% complete Millennium Falcon ever built.
Mira, Ray.
On a walk through Batu Village, we even found ourselves on the dark side of the Force.
Creo que estamos en el lado oscuro de la puerta. Parece, ¿eh?
We've got eyes on you.
Star Tours Flight 610 Star Sphere service to Kashyyyk. Flight 610 will now be departing from Gate 1.
What is it now?
The fuel pressure? Well, why didn't you say so in the first place? Let me check.
It's good to have one of those in case the power goes out. And you think about that next time, because I bet you didn't pack one.
We came back to planet Earth and found a totally different world for Toy Story Land, where everything makes you feel like you're a part of Andy's backyard. Then, just like any normal summer day in Florida, the weather changed, and so did our plans.
De conocer a Chewbacca.
We decided to find some of the indoor activities and meet some famous people instead.
Gigante.
Now, it's time to hit the road.
Así, con esta lluvia termina nuestro viaje
En Disney. Dios, es un maravilloso lugar.
Sí, hermoso, 100% recomendado.